If you want to learn how to play Seben, then watch this video. So when it comes to Seben, you will notice that most players play with their right thumb and left thumb and right index finger, and they'll play like this basically. Which is different to the standard way of playing bass. Most of you would have been taught to play like this. So using your right index finger and your middle finger, which is fine, but the reason why we play with our thumbs during Seben is to give a different tone. So it's very different if I played this from this. Why? It gives a rounder and warmer tone. So professional Congolese players tend to play with their thumbs. I do see some players that don't play with it. Like I said, I do think it gives a better tone, but it's up to you, whatever you want to do. If I go through the plucking hand first, so for those of you who are right-handed, it will be your right hand. So we tend to do this. So this is a useful exercise that you can use to learn how to use the right thumb technique. So all I want you to do is rest your fingers on your left hand on the strings. Don't press them. Just rest your hand on the strings so you can mute them. And all I want you to do is this. So with my right thumb, I'm just doing this on the E string. With my right index finger, I'm just plucking the G string. So this. You're almost treating this like a percussion instrument. What do I mean by that? So you can almost play like you're playing a percussion instrument like. This is very, very important for the technique, because before you start playing certain bass lines, you need to learn the correct technique. And making sure that you have the right Seben technique with your plucking hand, it will really help you when it goes to bass lines. Because if you already understand music theory, you understand arpeggios, major scales, and things like that, then the bass lines won't be too difficult. But you can't play them before learning the correct technique. So in terms of the fretting hand, so instead of playing, like I said, like this, we will play like this. So why do we use our left thumb? So the left thumb simply mimics the bass drum. So when you're playing Seben, the bass drum will basically play duh, 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 and we're basically mimicking what the drummer will play. So now I do see some players that don't play that, which is fine. But I do think if you want to sound like the best players in Seben, I think you need to add that. So if we use the right hand technique and combine it with this is what we get. So all I'm simply going to play is this. All I'm doing is using my left thumb and pressing any note around here. So from the D to the E, I'm pressing any. And with my pinky, I'm going to press the G on the G string. So all I'm going to do is this. So do that over and over again. And when you're comfortable, we can add something else. So we can add. So what am I playing? So all I'm playing is G, F, G, F. But this time I'm using my pinky to play the G. my index finger to play the F, but I'm still doing this. So I'm going to go very slow. So I'm doing this. Try to use a metronome when you play. And if I speed it up, I can play. And we can add something else. We can add. So now I'm adding. Same thing, but I'm playing the G twice. So. Remember, it's the same thing as doing this. Once you get this mastered, this will be easy. Okay, so let me show you guys a simple bass line that you can practice this with. So we're going to play very simple. So we're going to play C, G, F, G, and C. So we're going. This is 1, 5, 4, 5 in the key of C. So do, sol, re. Do, sol, fa, sol, and do. So what we're going to do is play. So if I do it slowly, all I'm playing is C, so 1, then so that's the G, then this again, then try to slow down this video if you can, if I'm going too fast. But before you play every note, you're basically adding this, which is basically like the bass drum. So always adding this. If it's too hard, go back to the other exercise. So if you want to see more videos, please do let me know. Comment below. Also, let me know where you're watching from. And if you're also interested in lessons, then please message me. I also provide online bass lessons, and I will send you the details of the lessons.